Alright, so this is Rick2425 here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these. Now, this is a Magic the Gathering Commander's deck. Picked both of these up off eBay, and this smaller one is something to correspond with it. So, without further ado, let's get inside. Curse this well-packaged box. Let's screw it. Let's get in. I should probably put that on vibrate, but whatever. Alright, so as you can see here, it's a small box. It looked a lot bigger on eBay. A lot bigger on eBay. So let's unbox the other one, and then I'll get inside this. This one's a lot easier to get into. Alright, so this is just simply a deck box for the Commander's deck. So now, without further ado, let's get inside. This is, as you can see, this is the Political Puppets deck. This is red, white, and blue. I kind of see what they did there, but so yeah, let's get in. So cut off the top, pull this out. So as we can see, we get a cardboard deck box, but I'd much rather prefer to use this box because it'll hold together a lot better. But there's 100 cards in here, so I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'll at least convert them to the other box for you. Now this other box, since it's from Ultra Pro, is a much sturdier material, so that's why I prefer to use this one, because it would hold together for a lot longer. So, and as you can see, this one velcros open. It's got a section for your deck and a section for your commander cards, and it all comes out. So we're going to take this, open it up. So we got the rule book and the cards here. Now, the cards we're just going to open up and put right in. Since there's quite a bit of them, we're not going to go through all of them. And then we're going to open up the rules here. This one's the rules, I think. Maybe this one's the commander rules. Yeah, this is commander rules. And this is the generic Magic the Gathering, whatever the heck that comes with everything. So then these are going to go in here. Right there. Alright. And now we get three oversized commander cards. Now, all of these creatures require red, white, and blue magic, so they're all suited for the deck. We got Ruhan the Fomori, Numot the Devastator, and Zedru the Great-Hearted. Now, Zedru and Ruhan are both mythic rares, and Numot is a rare. Now, all of them are legendary, and the best out of the three is Ruhan, and he requires the same amount to summon as all of them. Actually, Numot costs a lot. Costs 3 more magic to cast his ability, so I don't even know, but yeah, so Ruhan is 7/7, Numot is 6/6, and Zedru is 2/4. Now, you can just know the names and look up the cards, because I'm not about to go through the cards, because that is a lot of writing. But these are your commanders, and these are always in the game in your command zone. So they're going to go right in back there in the commander's slot. And then we first realize that we put this in wrong and then put it in right. And then we're going to close it, okay? And then we're going to put it there to display all of its glory and epicness, and now I'm going to go over the pricing. Now, I got this on eBay for $45, I think. I'm pretty sure it was $45, yes. And then the box I got for $6.49. Both of those not including shipping. And another reason why I wouldn't want to use this is because it doesn't have a slot for your companions. I mean, not companions, your commanders. So this you can carry both in one thingamacdoodle. So that's why I wanted to get that in addition to the set. And now this adds on to my collection here. As you can see, I got 2 traditional decks there, and a whole box of cards. Ignore the Pokemon one, I couldn't find anything better to contain them in. I'm trying to organize them into different containers, but I made this box myself, but I'm about to make a better one for it, if I ever scrape up enough cash to get them printed. And then this one I got from Comics and More in the King of Prussia Mall, and this one has life counters on it, 2 of them, one for you and one for your mate that you're playing with, playmate if you will. But anyway, that's not the focus of this video. This was the focus of this video, and I think I did a fairly good job explaining that. Now, let me just go over the basics of the Commander game. Now, the Commander game is basically like the traditional Magic game, except you have a deck of, it's either 100 or 99, I've read both. And your commander card. There's a command zone, which your commander card is always in no matter what, and when you cast the amount of mana to play it, that's just using its ability, I believe. I've never actually played a game of Commander, but I would like to, since I got the deck. And you start with 40 life instead of 20, so it's basically an all-out brawl. Let me look at the rules to verify some of that. That's a lot of cards. That's not what I'm looking for. A 99 card library. Each player's life total is 40. The mana symbols in a commander card's mana cost and rules text determine its color identity. Oh yes, that's another thing. If you want to construct your own deck for commanders, you have to pick a commander card. It has to be a legendary. The commander card has to be a legendary. Otherwise it isn't legal. You need to look at the card's attribute, and you have to build the deck using only cards of that attribute, and you cannot have any duplicates except for land cards. But yeah, political puppets. There's other ones out there, but I always play red, so I wanted to get the red deck, because this is the red 2011 and this is the red 2012, so I always go red, most because I like fire and red's my favorite color. So yep, political puppets. Alright,